Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PEMDAS and BODMAS method to find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have 4 answers, -4, -8, 4 and 8. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. As you can see on the screen, we will discuss here two rules, BODMAS and PEMDAS. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number which is given in the expression. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. So what will you do? You have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, let's recall that. Let's talk about how to solve this given expression. According to the BODMAS and PEMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So here we have two brackets. One is with the -2 which raised to power 2 and other one is -3 plus 1. So first of all, we have to solve this bracket which is this one. So 4 raised to power 2 and divided by -2 raised to power 2 means -2 multiplied by -2. So we will multiply both of them and get the answer is minus minus plus, which is equal to 2 to the 4. So answer is 4. And multiply by -3 plus 1, we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference -2. So -2 raised to power 2 means -2 multiplied by -2. And which is equals to minus minus plus and 2 to the 4. Now move forward, we will solve this bracket which is -3 plus 1. So what we will do, we will go here and multiply by -3 plus 1. They are subtracting each other and get the answer is -2. Right? And here we will give the reference 3 minus 3 plus 1 equals to -2. Now move forward, we have solved all the brackets. Now part 2 is, step 2 is you have to solve the order of expression and exponent part. So here we have this part which is with the exponent part. So we will solve this one and get the answer is -4 raised to power 2 means 4 multiplied by 4 which is equal to 16. And divided by 4 and multiply by -2, we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference -4 raised to power 2 equals to 16, which is -16. Now move forward, we have solved exponent part as well. Now we will solve the division and multiplication. So here we have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So first we have this division. So we will divide both of them and get the answer is 16 divided by 4 means -2. Multiply by -2 as it is. And here we will give the reference 16 divided by 4 equals to 4. Now we have here two terms which are actually multiplying each other. So we will multiply both of them and get the answer is minus minus plus this sign plus and 4 to the 8. So the answer is plus. So answer is plus 8. So if you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PEMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.